So what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be working on the Sportster. This is my new little baby. Hopefully I'll keep it for a while, but having some carb issues. It's running like shit. I'll go ahead and post that video right about now.
What the fuck?
Man, sounds like shit, don't it? I'm gonna try and fix it today. Oh yeah, this thing's gross. So much shit from inside this tank. Guess I'll give it a little splash. Just kind of get some of that trash out. Don't do that, you know, actually fix it, do it right. Look at all this trash on that motherfucker. I don't know if it's focusing in or not. There we go. Nasty. What's up, everybody? So the Sporty is good to go. I just need to adjust the carb, tune the carb in, and as you heard in the video, it's bouncing off the rev limiter good and sounds great. So y'all stay tuned. This bike should be fun. I can do a little walk around the bike. That way, if any of y'all are interested in what I have on it, just drop it down in that comment section down below and let me know.